Hi guys, I am so excited for today's video. I am doing an all-nighter tonight, which is so crazy. I never do these. I am super bad at staying up late and staying awake for a long time, like literally. I have not pulled an all-nighter since last year when I did this video and pulled an all-nighter. My latest nights, I'll stay up till like 2 or 3, but that's on rare occasions. I had a pretty chill day so far. I hung out with my sister, we got boba, we took pictures, I ran some errands, we got sandwiches and some delicious pastries, so it was super fun. I had kind of a chill day, so now I'm ready to stay up hopefully all night. I'm home now. It's already dark out. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 8:10 p.m. Have a good night.
Okay, so it's 8:10 and I'm starting this all-nighter. Tonight I have a couple ideas for what I'm gonna do, but right now my room is kind of a mess, so I just want to pick it up really quick before I start this video so that my room's cleaner tonight. I'm gonna do that, and then I don't know, but I just want to clean my room because it looks so good at night, but when it's dirty it looks so gross. So I think I'll clean it up and then take some pictures, maybe for my Instagram story. I do want to make a TikTok of my room at night also. Okay, that's better. Pretty good. Okay guys, so I am kind of tired. Okay, I can't be tired yet. It's 8:30. So usually I go to sleep at like 10:30. So I think the trick is I'm gonna turn on all my lights, keep them on. I am gonna change into comfy clothes, but I'm not gonna like get ready for bed, you know? I think that'll keep me from like getting tired tonight, you know? So my room is clean. It looks super good. I'm gonna post one of the pictures I took on my Instagram story. This is what I wore today. I just wanted to give you guys a little outfit of the day before I change into something more comfortable. This white tank top, a gray lacy bralette underneath, this green fuzzy jacket because it's actually not that warm, my blue Levi's, so cute. I was wearing my Adidas sneakers right there and I didn't have any regular socks, so Halloween socks. This is the outfit for today. I think it's super cute. I have my gold jewelry on and a couple rings. So I still have some of these pastries from earlier today when my sister and I got them, so I'm going to eat some. These are so fire. I love raspberry stuff. Hello? Okay, so I'm home. It is 11:29. I just got back. I ended up going out with two of my friends, Joey and Giselle, to get ice cream, and it was so much fun. I got Thai tea ice cream with gummy bears, my fave. But literally Thai tea ice cream is so good because I love Thai tea boba. So then the ice cream version is 10 out of 10. That was delish. I did end up changing up my outfit a little bit when I went out with them. I'm gonna change out of this now. That's better. I'm wearing this. Hey Kira, we're in the kitchen. It is 11:36 and we're getting a snack. Today she's having some crispy chicken strips. Okay, so what should I have? Ranch for the chicken.
I got birthday cake today and
You did? I've tried those.
I went to 2 Starbucks.
It's good.
And it was a fucking brownie and it's cute as fuck and it's so good.
I love brownies. What are you guys doing up? Dude, this chicken is really fucking good. Okay, it's 12:12 and we're going. Bye. Back in my room, I had some chicken and strawberries. It was delish. I'm tired and I'm gonna continue my all-nighter. It's honestly like, since I'm moving and I'm up and doing stuff, like it doesn't feel that late, but it's only 12, so we have a long ways to go. Now I'm just gonna lay in bed for a little bit and watch my show. I'm watching Shameless right now. I just want to like pass time kind of and chill for a little bit, but hopefully this doesn't make me too tired. If I start to get tired, then I'll get up and find something else to do. But this pillowcase I actually made. It's so cute. It's like silky, but I don't want to get like my makeup on it, so I usually put it behind this pillow. I'm not going to take my makeup off yet because that'll make me want to go to sleep. So I've been watching my show for a while and I think I'm gonna do some online shopping now. I really want to go on Depop and find a couple things to buy for the warmer weather coming up, like some new tank tops or something like that. I also am gonna go thrifting, I think tomorrow, so hopefully I'll be able to find stuff at the thrift store tomorrow. I really like this tank top. It's like this silky champagne color and brown lace. It looks super cute and it is $20, so I feel like that's pretty good. This bag I also really like. It's this brown and yellow and like blue striped bag. Super cute. I just love the shoulder bags. And this is $24, so that's pretty good too. So I'm kind of down for both of those. I'm also looking for accessories, maybe like a necklace, or I just bought this from Depop earlier. I'll show you guys. I don't know if you guys have seen the string phone straps that you can get. I found one on Depop that I'm literally obsessed with. So I bought it. It's this brown beaded and heart strap. I bought that today. I'm so excited. So those are a couple things I think I'm gonna get on Depop. So yeah, those are what I'm looking at. I think I'm gonna do some online shopping. I don't know where else to shop. Let me know some good stores down below. So on the topic of online shopping, I can get into the sponsor of today's video. So thank you to Honey for sponsoring today's video. I love using Honey. Every time I online shop, I make sure Honey checks to see if there are any coupon codes that I can use to save money on my online purchases. It's literally the best. So Honey is a free browser extension, and basically how it works is it will scan the internet for you to see if there are any coupon codes for the store that you're shopping at so that you can save money, and then it'll apply those codes when you're shopping to your checkout so that you save that money. So it's super awesome. Like every time I check out online, I'm like, oh my god, I could be saving money if I had a coupon code. So you might as well let Honey try and check for you to see if there are any coupon codes that it knows for what you're buying. You never know. I save money through Honey when I buy clothing or makeup. Literally any online shopping I do, I just make sure Honey scans before I check out. So you can install Honey super easy. All you have to do is go to joinhoney.com/Jarell and it's free. So definitely go to joinhoney.com/Jarell. I'll have it linked in the description, and install Honey. Thank you, Honey, for sponsoring today's video. Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna use my projector and I'm so excited. I never use my projector that I have. This is the perfect time to do it. So I keep it right over here next to my clothing rack. There's a lot of pieces that go with it. Like I have to use a lot of cords and stuff to connect it to my laptop. So I'm gonna get it all out and set it up. I think that's the reason I never really use it. I wanted one for so long. I remember being like, okay, it's an investment, you know? I don't remember how much I spent on it. I think it was around $50 or $60, but I remember being like, okay, it's kind of expensive. I wanted it for so long, so I'll get it. So this is my projector. It's beautiful. Got it from Amazon, in case you guys were wondering. I think I got it like over a year ago now. So I'm gonna set it up right now, but as I was saying, I think one of the big reasons I haven't used it in so long is because it takes so long to set up. I had to buy like this cable separate from this cable, and I had to install this whole thing on my laptop box. Beautiful. I'm so excited to set this up. So I have taken like pictures with it, like projector pictures, which is really fun, but I think I'm gonna watch a movie on it. You guys are probably wondering where I'm even gonna project this, because I have like no empty walls in my room. The only wall that I have that I could actually project on is behind here. The wall behind my clothing rack. So this is actually super easy to move. First, start off by just putting whatever's on the floor of my bed. I'm gonna start off by moving the shoe rack. They're like all separate boxes. So like, I'm just gonna move them like this off to the side. Okay, so that looks good. I also need to move all of these shoes down here, so I'm just gonna put them like right here. Okay, so I moved everything that was under the rack over here. I set it all right here. It actually looks so good like that though, without all the shoes underneath it. So now that all of that stuff is gone, I could just move the clothing rack easily because it's on wheels. So let me... So everything is cleared out. I have this whole empty wall. This is perfect for my projector. It's so weird seeing this whole part of my room empty. I just moved all of my stuff over here, and then now I could set up where I want the projector to be. So to get this set up, Joey, I'm plugging this in. Oh, you're so excited. So I'm connecting to HDMI. So now my laptop is connected. Now I need to figure out what I want to watch, what I want to project. So I saw this on TikTok. Someone projected like a window. So I found this one on YouTube. So I'm gonna turn off the lights so we could see the projector a little bit better. Look how cool it looks. Oh my God, it looks so good. That's so cool. It looks so real. Do you love it, Joey? Guys, look, I'm like at an aquarium. I really want to take projector pictures, like me in front of the projector, but I don't want to do my makeup tonight. I think I'm just gonna chill. I kind of want to pick out a movie to watch on my projector. I could lay in my bed, watch a movie. That'd be so fun.
He's easily. You'd hesitate. Where'd you get that?
Dude, this show is making me hungry as fuck.
It's okay.
We have almost made it to 3 in the morning, which I think we should really celebrate. I've been watching Ratatouille for like an hour, which is pretty good. It's such a good movie. I'm eating the rest of the pastries. I am pretty tired. I don't know if I want to finish this movie. I kind of want to watch Shameless. I want to have caffeine, so I think I'm going to make some tea. I am so excited. I love tea. Let me show you guys what tea I have. Over here on my mini fridge, I keep my tea. I have some in these 2 containers right here that I love. Jasmine green tea, which is literally like my fave. Mint, breakfast blend, Earl Grey, English breakfast, and something else, but it's like a sweet, like berry one. So I'm gonna go with the Earl Grey. That sounds good. I also have a teapot over here, which is super cute. I think I'm just gonna go in my kitchen and make the tea there.
When trying to refine.
1,000. Have you been? They take out their feelings.
Hey guys, so I just turned off my projector. I am getting pretty tired, so I'm gonna move to my bed. I've been watching shows on my projector for a while. Okay, I'm gonna put this away. I need to rearrange my room, put it all back together. See, this is the worst part, because it's so much work to put it all back. Let's do it. Okay, I finally got everything put back together. I am so tired. Putting that stuff back just made me so much more tired. But yeah, my room is back together, so that's good. So I'm in bed watching Shameless. Since I've been moving around and doing stuff, it's been helping me stay awake. I'm gonna take off my makeup soon, and then after I take off my makeup, I'm gonna do a face mask. That'll also keep me up longer. I am tired, but we're going strong. I'm gonna have another one of these delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna take my jewelry off. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do next is take off my makeup and do a face mask. So let me take off my makeup. I'm gonna use the Neutrogena makeup remover and some cotton pads. Okay, I just took off my makeup. The face mask I'm gonna be applying is this one. I just found it in my drawer. I think it's from Target. A cooling avocado clay mask. I feel like I can't talk loud because my whole family's asleep. And usually I have a brush to apply my face mask, but I have no idea where the brush went. So I'm gonna use this one and apply the face mask to my face. I don't do face masks often enough. Like, they're so nice. Okay, that looks pretty good for a face mask, so I'm pretty much done applying it. I'm gonna wash this brush. I have so much extra mask left in here. It's been 20 minutes. I'm gonna take this off right now, just rinse it off in the sink. I put my hair back so I could rinse this off really quick. Okay, so I'm back in my room. That face mask honestly was so nice, and it definitely was cooling. I remember it said, yeah, it was a cooling mask, and it definitely was cooling. I love that face mask. I think I'm gonna put on some moisturizer. I am so tired, you guys. It has been such a long night, so I think I'm gonna climb into bed and chill for a little bit. So my makeup's off, I'm super comfy. Right now, I'm actually working, just starting to edit this video. I'm gonna work on this, watch my show, and chill for a little bit. So I am going to turn off my light and not go to sleep, but watch my show for a little. I'm so tired. It's crazy because I stayed up till kind of around the time that I would wake up in the morning. So I'll let you guys know when I actually fall asleep. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching today's video. Pulling an all-nighter was so much fun. I really want to do this more often.